Hi, I'm Tina Resick, and I want to welcome you to my new YouTube channel called Tina Talk, because you're talking with Tina. Isn't that fascinating? I want to give you so many opportunities to tune in and kind of hear about my business, which is Perfect Planning for Life, and my closet business, which is a perfect closet for you, all about order and planning. And there are some folks out there that like the theory that less is more. Obviously, by you can see by my surroundings, I believe more is more. I really do. And I want to teach those who say, well, I do have stuff I want to keep. I do have my things, my clothing, my books, my office supplies, things around me that serve me well, and how do I keep them in order? And that's where I come in. I would really love to give you some helpful hints on that. And not only helpful hints, but things that are going to affect you really the rest of the day, if not the rest of your life, in time management and space management. I also will be talking about, through Tina Talk, through the magic of YouTube and Tina Talk, different ways for you to keep not only organized but well planned. I believe in order. I believe in being organized. And if you can't find things, you're going to spend half your life looking for them, things that you might lost, misplaced. It'll drive you nuts, and it's a time waster, if not a time killer. But when you really do have a purpose in your planning, and you have a home for everything. Everything goes back home after it comes out to play or out to serve you, then it goes back home. And so it can serve you again. And to take beautiful care of the things that you have. And I love keeping stuff that lasts a long time. This is not a totally disposable world. And I've watched some of the home TV shows and the organizers and the designers and architects that really believe in not only order, but keeping things you really love, not throwing them out after 5 or 6 years or this season it's done. I understand that we like different looks, and there are seasons or there are different color schemes, but I also think there's this sort of ecology conscious consideration to, when you really love someone, you love someone, love someone or something, you keep it. You keep it. You plan to keep it for a long time. You take care of it. It will take care of you. And another big secret I have is that I have a huge wardrobe, and I love it. And I constantly am collecting accessories and repurposing and redesigning clothes. I'm going to show you that too in the future. You will love that. I'm telling you, love. Because if I can give you a couple ideas, one idea every time you tune into my YouTube channel, Tina Talk, you might say, oh my gosh, I'm saving so much time or money or space, or I'm really utilizing something so much better. I love to repurpose stuff, or to have something that is so simple, whether it's a little box of jewelry that you get from the department store, but it's a good box. And you can separate it, so now you have two boxes with a lid, and you start putting that together as a kind of puzzle in a drawer, and suddenly that is very much a poor man's organizer. And what did that box cost you? The cost of buying whatever gift. And I just love seeing something around me. I'm going, I could use that in the bathroom. I could use that with, helping to store or better organize another space, because I just need that one little something. And you'll find it's just a funner way to live and a more efficient way to live. I like efficiency. I like seeing something come together that works so beautifully. And with my business called Perfect Planning for Life, that has to do also with putting down your goals, writing them down in order. And I have 8 different categories. And this is stuff I'm going to show you in the future. But just to show you how I live and how I organize and how I put my life and my home together, might give you a couple ideas. It may be a la, all these other great organizers and Martha Stewart and everyone else that says, this is just a more it's a beautiful and gracious way to live, and not to waste. ugh, I do not like waste. There, you know, to again repurpose something, or when it's really, 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 really over it, either you give it to someone else. I do believe in goodwill. Um, and frankly, at this time I'm speaking to you, we're still kind of in the middle of the coronavirus. I've seen some of the most hilarious emails and videos ever. I mean, ever in my life. And who would have thunk we would be in a position like this? Ever. But you know what? It was already written. And so we're making the best out of it. I hope we all learn something, if not being so incredibly appreciative of what we do have, including our freedoms. But when you can have your space and it's always in order and it serves you well and it becomes a place where you can come back to and regenerate and you love it and take care of it, I think that that could be something very cool that you will look forward to learning more about. And that's what I want to share with you and come up with some great ideas. And my website is perfectplanningforlife.com. Perfect planning, and then the number 4, not with all the jewelry, but anyway, just one, two, three, 4. So it's perfectplanningforlife.com. And there you can learn more about me and the planning for life, the goal setting, the costuming, and I also call it wardrobe engineering. It's just a lot of neat things. And I want you to email me. Then I'm going to read your emails and we'll discuss that. It should be such fun. So I just want to wish you a wonderful day. Look forward for you to tune in. And may God richly bless you today. And we will talk again. And we'll be ready for Tina Talk. Bye-bye.